So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as today it's Sunday, today I'm going to have half kg of chicken after a long time. You can see. Because in between these exam gap, my mother didn't even allow me to have non-veg, but anyhow I secretly managed to eat 5 eggs per day. And now today as it's Sunday and even my board exams are completed, so today I'm going to have half kg of chicken, but my mother won't cook it. My father and I are going to cook that. And currently I'm just cutting these onions and all, and watermelon I have already cut. And yeah, so let's have it. So yeah, so I know that my father cooks well, so as he is a ex-army, he knows how to cook well. And yeah, so now we'll be cooking and I'll be eating that later on. And half kg of chicken would nearly provide me like of about 100 grams of protein, and that's literally a lot. And I'll be again having extra like peanuts and all that would leave. Like overall I will be having approximately of about 120 grams of protein today. And yeah, so and from tomorrow onwards again my college is get reopened. And yeah, so I'll be seeing that tomorrow whether I'll be going or not. I still don't know yet, but we'll be seeing. And yeah, so currently I'm just chopping these onions. And yeah, so wait, let me change the camera angle. You know what, like life literally feels so peaceful when you are alone, like focusing on your diet, making your own food, and even just like trying to stay alone in the nature. That life literally feels so peaceful. And I would definitely suggest you guys to once have an experience of this, like staying alone, focusing on your fitness and just doing your own work without communicating to anyone. That would literally be so peaceful, and you won't be having any extra emotions with you. So I literally love to live like that, and I'm currently trying my best to have that kind of environment near me. And yeah, so that's it. Now it's time like 10:30 am. I haven't eaten anything yet, so now I'll be having this watermelon. And after that, my dad just now went to bring half kg of chicken, and when he comes, we'll be just eating. So the whole half kg chicken, I will be only eating that because none of my family members eat non-veg. Only me and my brother have non-veg. My sister won't eat non-veg. My mother and my father won't eat non-veg. And yeah, so let's have that. And after, if possible, I'll be recording the video while cooking with my father. But yeah, let's see what happens. And yeah, so meet you guys later. finally over and so it's finally over, you can see this. Let's taste it and I will be telling you how it feels. That's literally so good, and yeah, so now I'll be adding few dhania. So this is the skin that me and my father had made together, and yeah, so I hope you like this video. We'll be recording another outro, so yeah. You can see this really looks so. Alright, so that's it for today, and made really a crazy chicken with my dad, and yeah, so but it's not about the food. Moments like this do actually matter a lot, and if you have got your dad around, just go and spend some time with him, learn something, even it's something like this in the kitchen. And yeah, so the reason why I tell you to even spend time with your father is like, one day you are gonna realize like, he was the only person who wants to see you better than him. None of your friends would want to see you better than them. So keep this in mind. Your father is the only person who will definitely support you and want you to see better than him in all aspects. So respect him, spend some time with him. Like, we don't say it much, like our dads do a lot behind the scenes, and we need to be respecting that, and we need to be working a lot harder. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay strong, stay consistent, and thank you so much for watching.